Workers at some hospitals have shared their fears about PPE.
I want you to give us the equipment we need to provide safe quality care for our patients.
And everyone who can is trying to help fill the void, including the staff at Chair Care Patio, who were gearing up for their busy seasons, spring and summer.
One day, about maybe 3 weeks ago, a doctor came in from one of the local hospitals and said, my boss has asked me to find someone that can make this kind of stuff for the hospital. He had a mask, he had a face shield, and he had a gown. And I said, well, I guess we can. Let me look into it.
Mart said maybe because for the past 30 years, her crews fixed home patio furniture. But in the spirit of helping, she built some prototypes, protective gowns and plastic face shields for the frontline workers.
Well, the next thing I knew, I got an order. I got big orders. And then it was like, holy cow, we have to get this done. It was crazy because we went from being a custom, one-of-a-kind, custom cushion kind of company to being a high-speed, high-production shop, which was not what we were used to, but we did it really quickly, and it's really kind of cool. So now we have I've added about 10 or 12 new sewers in the last 2 weeks.
You heard her right. Her 30 employees stayed on, and she's adding people to keep up with the demand. Now, her company and factory floor are completely transformed.
We didn't really know how many we could produce in a day because we were never that type of a shop. So we said, okay, well, let's try to do 500 a day. Let's start with that. And we got there. So now with the people that we have, we're at least at 1,000 to 1,200 gowns a day going out the door. Plus the face shields that we're doing, those are around 700 to 800 a day that we're putting out. Back in 1988, we started this business as a hobby in our garage in Carrollton, Texas. And before we know it, it grew and grew and grew, and it became bigger after each year went by. And then in 1994, we both left our permanent jobs and started this company full time. At that point, we had 5 or 6 employees, and we were specializing in outdoor patio furniture repair for the local Dallas-Fort Worth customers. Then over time, when websites came to be a thing, we created an online website.
Of course, now they're way bigger, and the company has pivoted in less than a month. Deb says she's serving one big hospital network in the North Texas region, and a grocery chain has reached out for gear to help protect its workers.
Well, we're very excited that we could help the medical community in North Texas and supply them with the PPE products that they need. Our employees are very excited that they can stay employed and, keep their families fed and a roof over their heads. And that's the most positive thing I can say about all this. And the mood in the shop is let's press on. Be calm, keep calm, and so on is our motto. Thank you to our healthcare workers and our frontline people. You all are amazing, and thank you so much. We're very, very grateful.